Hello everyone, welcome to ElliottWave-Forecast.com chart of the day. My name is Henry Lau, and today is Tuesday, January 29th, 2019, and the time is 3:30 a.m. GMT. Alright, so for today we will be looking at Tesla. This is a 30-minute chart, short-term outlook, and we can see over here that the rally to $352 over here, we label this as a wave 2. Okay, so that means we are this is a bearish view, right? If this is a wave 2, that means this move lower here is within the wave 3 in black, right? In black, and the wave 3 in black is currently in progress, and it is unfolding into another 5 waves. Of course, the sub wave of wave 3 has to be always also in another 5 waves, and we got this wave 1 over here, okay, ending over here, and now doing a wave 2 correction to the upside to correct this entire decline. So this decline here, as you can see, is labeled as a wave 1 of 3, right? This is a wave 1 of 3, right? And the subdivision of the wave 1 of 3 also is another impulse. So we can see over here in the subdivision is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? And then the subdivision of this wave 3 in red is also another 5 waves in the lower degree, right? So you can see in the black here is also 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5, right? And you see in the subdivision of the 1 is also in 5 waves. The subdivision of 5 in the black is also in 5 waves. So this is a nice impulsive structure with all the subdivision. Also is unfolding in another 5 waves of a lower degree. Okay, so we ended the wave 1 of 3 here, and now we are in the process of correcting this entire decline from $352, and the correction now is unfolding as a double 3, or sometimes called WXY. Okay, and a WXY is nothing more than two corrective structures combined together into a W and X. So in this case, you can see this is your W and this is your X, and we are in the Y. So these are two corrective structures, right? The first leg, which is the W, the corrective structure here is also another WXY, right? So most people are only familiar with a double zigzag, right? Double zigzag is also a double correction, but a double zigzag is just a specific sort of structure of a double correction, right? A double zigzag is if this is a zigzag ABC and this one is also an ABC. That will be called a double zigzag. But it doesn't have to be a zigzag here and a zigzag there. This leg here, it can be any corrective structure. It can be a zigzag. It can be another WXY of the lower degree. It can be a flat, right? So in this case, we got another WXY of a lower degree. And why don't we label it as a zigzag? Because it's clearly 3 waves here and a 3 waves here, right? So that's why because it is a 3 waves, we cannot label this as an A, B, and then C. So this is best to label it as a WXY of a lower degree, right? And then now the target from the Y in the red equal to the W is going to be $307, right? That will be in the potential area where Tesla is going to fail the rally and then starts to sell off again in wave 3 of 3, right? So that will be a significant sell-off if that happens, because it's a wave 3 of 3. Supposedly it's a pretty strong move to the downside if this count is correct, right? But anyway, in this rally here, okay, even though this is what we are looking for the Tesla to start turning lower, but the most important key level is not really this area. The most important key level is 352, and this is just one possible structure of the correction to do something like this. But of course, we can also do a bigger correction. For example, we can do something like this and do another 3 raise up from here, and therefore we got another 7 swing. So you, in this case, you will move the label like this, and then you will get your wave 2 ending here. Right? So the bottom line is the rally or the correction can take forms into a couple of different structures, right? But the idea is that as far as the rally in Tesla fails below 352, we should get, or we expect, an extension lower in the stock. Ultimately is going to break below this low here on January 24. Is going to break $279 over here. Now we expect this area, the blue box here, to find some sellers, right? So either from here we can go to new low, or from here we can get some sort of 3 raise pullback, okay, to correct this entire correction. Okay, so at least some sort of 3 raise pullback can happen from here. If not, then we can go to new low. So if it doesn't go to new low from here, we can correct this thing here in 3 waves, and then after that go higher again before turning lower. Okay, so I hope that this is clear, and if you want to know further updates and the next path for Tesla or any other stock, you can check our service. We have 14 days free trial, and we cover around 26 stocks and ETF. You can also ask our analysts in the live session if you have any question about other stocks that we might not cover. Okay, so see you all again next time.